This video is no harm to anyone. This is just my opinion and this is purely my opinion. Whatever I'm going to talk about you, it's only from my experience. If you are resonate with me, then make sure you like and comment what you think. What is better? I mean, what you think is better? Books are better than schools, or or the other way around. So let me know what your thoughts in the comment section, and let's get into the video that why I say that books are much better than school. Today whatever I'm going to say, we take it as a pinch of salt, because if I talk about my personal story, then I'm graduated, I work as a freelancer, I do have a full-time job, and after that I work as a content creator. I talk about books, I talk about finance. So it just all of the combined experience I'm talking about my, if I talk about my personal journey, I did my primary education in the Marathi medium school. So basically wahan pe everything were the Marathi. After that in the college is again the Marathi, and when I entered into the high college, that is engineering college, then it was a little bit of combination of Marathi plus Hindi plus English. So I'm not talking about the language, but I'm going to talk about the system and what I think there is a missing, and why I think books are better. If you get good books in an early stage, then that can definitely gonna change your life. First one is the financial learning. So if you talk about the school, or if you talk about our education system, they are less aware about the financial learning. Like, you don't know, no one taught you that how to fill the taxes, which is most important parameter, or no one taught you how to fill, how to deal with the taxes, or how to deal with the finance in school or college. There is no subject about that, and I wish many, when I started filling my taxes is around 21 years old. Like, it's been 3 years I started my filling the tax, but I when I first saw that, it was a lot of work. Like, I have to go to all the statements, I have to check my bank balance, I have to check bank accounts, different bank accounts, then what are the investments I did. So there are so many things, and if you're not aware about that, then you will never feel able to fill your taxes. So that's something that I feel that missing in our college, that no one taught you how to manage your money, no one taught you how to fill the taxes, no one thought about you that how the financial world works. If we talk about the maths, then there are only we understood the simple interest, compound interest, but how that actual work in real life, no one thought about this lot. Why you should start investing, or why you should think about your financial different instrument, no one thought about that. So that is something that I believe that is missing. And if you are the reading books, then if you read a lot of financial books, then you will have fair amount of idea that how those things work. Second reason, that learn in the same process. Like, if you enter into the school, then you have to go to the primary, then secondary, then high school, and lot of you have to go through the same process. Like, there is one example that Einstein says that you cannot judge a fish by the how he climbed the tree. The same process or the same thing applies here. When you think about the school, or when you think about the books, then these both are different things. Like, if you read books into the same category but different books, then you will have different processes or different understanding of the same concept or different examples. But when we were in the school, then everything we have to go through the same process, and everything we have to do with the same process. There is no different thought process, there is no different process for evaluation, or there is nothing different in that. So everyone has to go through the same process. If you choose the engineering, if you choose the doctor, then again you have to go through the same process. So that is something that I believe it should be different from the normal process. Like, if you talk about the thinking, or if you talk about the finance, or if you talk about artificial intelligence, or whatever the subject you like, if we taught in the school, then they are going to teach you only the basics. But if you want more understanding, then books will be the definitely good use for it. Like, if you read 3 different books, you will have a lot of 3 different process, and that's when you will understand much deeper level or much better level. So that's the reason I think books are better than school. Third thing that I hate, or third thing I learned from after reading a lot of books, is that if you talk about the school, then you have to be the part of the race. You have to get that first rank, second rank, third, that you have to participate on that, all the race. You have to get their merit, you have to reach that point. All of those is all about teaching you to be the part of the race. And to be honest, life is not a race. Life is kind of enjoyment. You should have an enjoyment, and you will realize only this when you read a lot of books. Like when you see a lot of autobiographies, when you read a lot of autobiographies, then you will realize that life is not a race. You don't have to be the part of the race. You can be your own game. You can be the kingmaker of the game. So that is a completely different story that we are going to talk in some other video. But school always teaches you that you have to be the part of the rat race, or you have to be the part of the race. But books will always teach you that there is no race. Like you can be your part of your own game, or you can completely get out of the game, which is something I learned after reading almost a lot of philosophical books, that if you are a part of a race, then you are going to be the plan of zero sum game and status game, a lot of those things. And this is something I learned only after reading the books. Otherwise I would have been a part of a lot of race. Next reason, how to think. In school we always think about what to think, not how to think. That's the majority, or that's the one of the most important thing I learned after reading a lot of books. Like one of the books that I will recommend is Getting Things Done, and the Almanac of Naval Ravikant. Then there is a book called Good Life, or the Stoicism books. These all are books about how to think, not what to think. So there is a major difference between what to think and how to think, and school is always been a part of that journey, that the later part about it, that what to think. Like if you given the example, you already know the process, you have to solve with that example only. But what to think, like there is the basic example, like the basic classic example, we say that 5 plus 5 is 10, but it can be 7 plus 3 also 10, it can be 8 plus 2 also 10. So this is a part of how to think. But we always think that 5 plus 5 is equals 10. This is 5, this is 5, then it's 10. So that is the process about the school. And if you want to think like better, if you want to think better, if you want to understand better, then you should always go for the how to think, because your thinking process is going to determine your future, your growth, a lot of other ways. So it's really important that how to think. And if you want to become a person who how to think, then you have to read different books, different category books. That books are not of your catalog, books are not of your interest, and then you will understand how to think. Next reason why I think is all because of the old school thinking. If you talk about the syllabus, if you talk about a lot of school syllabus, primary syllabus, it's all about little bit of outdated. They are not the current syllabus, they are not talk about a lot of new ways. And we are currently living into the modern age where modern philosophies are available, modern thinkings are available. You don't have to go through the same old things. You can be the new person, you can think in a new way. And that's another reason that why I feel that old school thinking is not important, but the new school thinking is important, or the modern way is important. And you will only get modern way thinking if you are the new person, or if you are into the new modern age where you read modern stuff, if you understand modern stuff, and if you are consuming the modern material. And you will get modern material only if you are into the new age thing, new books. It's not only about the books, there are few videos also available. I'm not only talking about the books, but books are the one of the best ROI. Like you spend 300 to 500 rupees, but you get return is almost equal to your life-changing return. So that's the reason. If you want to get rid of the old schooling, then you have to read a lot of books. The last reason, emotion, empathy, and the kindness. It's all because when you are into the school, first one, you are a part of a race. You always struggle for the merit, you always wanted the merit, and you get that boost of ego, you get that the boost of jealousy, like okay, my friend is scoring that, but I am not able to score this. And you get into the trap of again and again jealousy, that I have to beat that person, and you again get that panic, you get that anxiety, you get that a lot of those things. And so we have seen a lot of cases about the suicide and a lot of other things about the depression, because you don't get that admission into IIT, or you don't get admission into the higher school. It's all because of that. And here we required emotion, empathy, and the kindness, which I believe if you read a lot of fiction books, then you will get that. I remember when I first read the Harry Potter, I literally cried many times, like almost 10 to 15 times I have cried after reading the Harry Potter books. And it's all because I'm able to feel all of those emotions. I feel the pain, I used to feel pain, empathy, the kindness behind that character, or how these people are thinking, or how those people are going. And this will only realize either you will go through that experience or you will learn from those experiences. And the best way to get those experiences obviously after reading a lot of fiction books, and then only you will realize those emotions, you will able to feel the other person. So that's the reason I believe that books are important. Now, what do you think? Do you think that these are the correct reasons that books are really important than the school, or books can be the part of the school? If I believe that books can be the part of the school, and if you are, if the schools manage to get into the right way, right books to the right people, then it can be really helpful. This is what I personally think. So what do you guys think? Let me know into the comment section. If you want to talk more about this, then make sure you join our Telegram group and the newsletter, where I'm going to share a lot of better ways, or we are going to talk in a community. So make sure you join that. If you want more the best books that you should read this year or the next year, then check out this video where I shared that best books you should read the next year. And if you are looking for the more audiobooks or the fiction books, then check out this video where I shared the best fiction books that you should read. So that's all for the today's video. See you in the next one.